joined here with a stunning former Lady Bullpups and Bulldogs and a proud alumni of National University. First of all po, we really appreciate you guys for coming here and celebrating with us the Palarong Nazariano 2026. We are very pleased to have you here at NU Nazareth School.
Hi, I'm Sheena Turing, ABN.
I'm Erin Pangilinan and my former strand is STEM.
What is your favorite experience here in NUNS?
Me, yung na-create kong bond with my classmates. I remember ang pinaka-solid ko talagang grade 9 ako during that time. Up until lang yung mga classmates ko nung din high school, laging kausap ko pa rin sila.
For me, same din na in high school kasi every extracurricular is something na to look forward when you're in high school. Since very exciting siya and especially all the teachers are putting all their effort in the activity. So maganda yung naging engagement with the students.
Ano naman po yung mga naging lessons nyo from NU Nazareth School na dala-dala nyo pa rin po hanggang ngayon?
Yung value na pagiging Catholic, like religious, always nandyan lagi yan. Pag prayers, pag may game kami, always yan. Nung UAP pa lang kami ng NU. Pag before kami mag-start ng UAP, start kami lagi dyan at church. And then, of course, yung value ko is yung pag-enjoy yung process. Kasi mahirap yung pagiging student-athlete eh. And may school ka, then may training ka lagi. So, ayun lang, ini-enjoy ko lang yung process ko at the same time na may respect din sa mga coaches and teammates ko.
For me, yung values na nakuha ko here in Nazareth is the perseverance and pagiging resilient sa sarili. Especially as an athlete, student athlete, iba yung pagod, iba yung challenge sa pagiging student athlete when it comes to especially having your time, handling your emotions, handling every challenges incoming. So, up until now, nagagamit ko siya kasi nakikita ko kung paano ko talaga dadalhin yung sarili ko in every hardship na mangyayari sa akin.
What are your advices for the new Bullpups and for our student athletes naman po?
Advice ko lang sa kanila is, again, enjoy the process talaga. Lalo na yung sino yung mga teammates mo. Kasi after ilang years, di mo alam maging teammates mo pa rin sila sa college. And of course, yung pag-enjoy sa sports.
For the new Bullpups, especially sa mga students, you gotta love NU Nazareth because it is small, we have small community, but you know how we are engaging with one another, the activities, how the faculty and staffs trying to engage everyone in a small community. It is very nice then, especially that we're growing, NU is growing little by little. So it's a good factor that everyone is coming here in at school, seeing, appreciating our small efforts. So for our student athletes naman, always remember na first is you're a student, next is an athlete, never forget that, and especially that you have to give your time talaga sa studies.
Nagkaroon pa kayo ng favorite subject sa school or yung subject na na-enjoy nyo talaga?
For me, English, si Miss Gian, yung kanina, shoutout nga pala kay Miss Gian. Kasi na-enjoy ko siya kasi meron siyang, like, minsan pag mapasok sa classroom, meron siyang character na pinapasok. Like, may impact talaga siya.
For me, ang na-enjoy ko, si Miss Arlene.
Ayan!
Science! I mean, one of my favorite subject is science. So, kaya din siguro nag-STEM ako. Kasi, I mean, diba, magna-notes ka. Doon kasi nag-start yung notes noon. Also yung kay Ma'am Nabor yung math. Kasi, doon ko na-appreciate yung math.
Ay lang, shout ko nga pala yung kay Sir Egg. Hindi niya nabutan siya eh. Nung junior high school. Siya rin yung mga favorite teacher ko rin.
Sir Jake.
Sir Jake! Yeah! Sa mga OG teacher dito sa Nazareth.
What is your favorite food here in Nazareth po?
Number 1, turon. Alam niya, dyan, turon. Pag hindi ako pag ayoko ng meal, may convert kasi yun sa amin eh, pag atid kami. So, ayun yung ginagawa ko. Imbis na meal, turon ginakain. Sisig.
Mas sikat yung akin, sisig. Parang very siya tuwing Friday lalo na. Pag ubus lagi agad yung sisig eh. So, very sikat talaga siya.
Pangalawa, siomai rice. Ayun talaga. Pag gipit na ako, wala na akong meal, siomai rice talaga. Go to talaga. Pag gipit na ako, siomai rice.
Ano po yung tinuro ng NUNS sa inyo?
NUNS made me who I am today. Especially na lumaki kami far from our parents. So, besides our coaches na second parent, I think the faculty, the teachers, they're the one who guided us to be who we are right now. Grabe kasi, especially yung mga shoutout, yung mga advisory teacher namin, sila Ma'am Nabor, sila si Sir Egg. So, sila yung mga taong nag-guide sa amin na hindi talaga kami hahayaan na mawala sa landas. Na parang, okay, fine, nahihirapan ka. It's okay. You don't have to try harder. You just have to make it through the process. Na kahit nahihirapan ka, gawin mo pa rin. Na never stop until you get there.
For me is yung may hardship kaming experience, pero yung support ng NSNU, ayun talaga yung like alam kong akala ko ako lang, like alone ako lagi ganyan, pero andyan sila lagi to support us.
Would you mind to invite our Nazalians to your future games po para naman madama ang Bulldog spirit in your upcoming championships po?
It is for UAAP fans. Sana supportahan niyo po yung NU Lady Bulldogs ngayong UAAP Season 98. And hindi lang po NU Lady Bulldogs, pati din yung men's and other sports.
I would like to all Nazalians and you fans to please watch the men's and women's volleyball team and all the athletes that currently playing right now in the UAAP Season 88. See you guys!
Once a bull pop, always a bull pop. Thank you.